She's not feeling it today. Too much going on. So she's not really feeling it yet. It's not warm enough. I'm not feeling good. I'm not gonna push it. But she had a rough day. I gave her a bath. She went for a car ride, went shopping, and did a whole bunch of stuff like that. And then she went for a motorcycle ride. When she was napping, I kind of like woke her up, lifted her up, and took her. Didn't ask. Come out and go for a ride. Because the last nice day we had, I did not do anything. I was like, I got nothing. We're back. Come on. We're back. Look at her. She's like, I don't want the goggles on my head. Oh, hold on. I'm getting them off. Off they come. Look. Better? She's still getting used to everything. Safety harness, because that's important. Now, the harness. Look at her. She's so adorable and clean. She's so cute. Aren't you, baby? You want to go in the house? Huh? You're not shaking. That's good. She's not shaking like she's scared. Look at her. She's a motorcycle mama.